Welcome everyone. Our today's topic is coding decoding. What is coding decoding? It is the process in which we send the messages in the encoded form. It means it is the process of transmitting an information from one place to other using some suitable codes so that it might reach to other person safely. Coding decoding of an information is done with the various rule or patterns. Mostly it is used to send secret messages in secret agencies. In the coding decoding topic, we will discuss on these topics: symbol coding based on similarity, coding based on rearrangement of letters, opposite letter coding, coding based on replacement of letters, number coding, coding by substitution, word replacement, fictitious language coding, and conditional coding. When we will solve the question of coding decoding in the exam, that time if the question is from these four types, that time firstly we will apply the first this, and then we will apply this, then we will apply this, and then we will apply this in the question paper. The first one is symbol coding based on similarity. It means here we will compare the words according to their codes. We will check the codes according to the word. Like this, in a certain code, gone is written as 5% 2 hash, and medal is written as 4 hash $3 at. Then how will gold be written in that code? It means for the code gone, that is the code 5% 2 hash, and for the word medal the code is this. Here the four alphabets are there, and these are also the four alphabets, digits, or symbols you can say. Here these are the five alphabets, and for this in the code also there are five elements. It means they are in the series. If we will check that E is at the fourth place, and in this for E the code is hash. Here also the E is at the second place, and the code for E, that is hash. It means the first alphabet the code is at first position. For the second alphabet the code is for at the second position. Then we have to find out the code for gold. So gold is the word which is present in the given these two words, the gone and medal. If we will check that time, G and O, these two alphabet are present in gone, and L and D, these two are present in this second word D and L. So it means first what we will do, why we will choose the symbol coding based on similarity, because first the required word, we have to find out the code for this word. It means this code, the question code word, we will first find out in the given words, in the gone and medal. If it is not gone and medal, that time they can be the different word. But first we will find out these alphabets in these the two words, the given words. We will check that time, we can write gone like this, gone, and the code like this, and we can write also the code for medal like this. Here we will check that for the code for G, for the code for G, that is 5, the code for O, that is percent, and the code for L, that is at, and the code for D, that is 3. If we will arrange these according to gold, that time it will become 5% at 3, which is the second option. The second type is coding based on rearrangement of letters. Here it means what is given, if the code is given, the word is given Ramesh, and the code which will be given of Ramesh, for the Ramesh, that will the alphabets will be the same. It means the alphabets are rearranged, the position of the alphabets are different. If we will check here the code for the Ramesh, that is SHSEMAR, and we have to find out the code for create. When we will check this, that time we will place, or we will write the positions of these letters 1 to 6. These are the 6 alphabets, and then we will write 1 to 6. Now we will check that first H is there, it means that is on the 6th position. Then S is there, that it means it's on the 5th position. That is E, it means the E is at 4th position. So we will write the positions at the bottom of the coding word, and it is if we will see this, that time we can see that this is the in the reverse position. The Ramesh is written in the reverse position. Here it means create also will be written in the reverse position. If the word the required word is in the 5 alphabet, that time also we will apply the same rule. We will write from the last to first. So here we will check that the create is at the is of 6 alphabets. It means we will write from the last to one, E T A E R C. That is the third option. But it is not necessary that in the coding based on rearrangement of letters, the arrangement will be like this from last to first. It can be in the different way also. One more example we see for this. In this, sector is written as ESCTOR. It means if we see and we will compare this, that time we will see that only S and C, they are changed therein for their positions. They are interchanged therein positions, and from 3 to 6 these positions are same to same, 3 to 6, but these first two positions are different. They were interchanged. It means the second is at first and the first is at second. So here in the mother also what we will do, we will interchange the first two alphabets M and O. O will be at the first position and M will be at the second position, and the remaining positions will be the same, THER. So the code, the required code will be OMTHER. So for the code for mother will be OMTHER, the fourth option. It means in this the arrangement of the letters can be different. In the first we see the arrangement was from last to first. In this the first two alphabet are interchanged. It can be that the third and fourth are interchanged. It can be the fifth and sixth are interchanged. So arrangement of the letters can be different types. The third type in the coding decoding, that is opposite letter coding. It means for this type we have to learn the opposite letters in the English alphabet. It means the opposite letters are, the opposite of A will be Z, opposite of J will be Q, opposite of M will be N, opposite of R will be I, opposite of S will be H, like this. So we have to learn these opposite letters. That time we can save our time in the exam. If in a certain code language notion is written as MLGRLM, then how will vector be written in that language? Then first what we will do, we will check for the notion and MLGRLM. If we will see here, that time we can clearly see that the opposite letter of N, that is M, the opposite letter of O, that is L, the opposite letter of T, that is G, and the opposite letter of Y, that is R, the opposite of O, that is L, and the opposite of N, that is M. So these are the opposite letters. So for the code vector also, what we will do, we will write the opposite letters. The opposite letter of V, that is E, E of V, opposite of C, X, opposite of T, that is G, opposite of O, that is L, opposite of R, that is I. For the, it means the required code for the word vector, that is EVXGLI, that will be the fourth option. So it means it will be very easy if we are learned to the opposite letters of in the English alphabet. That is very necessary and important to save our time. The fourth one is coding based on replacement of letters. It means what I said earlier, that in the coding decoding, when we will solve the question in the exam, that time we will give the preference the four types. The first one was similarity, the second one was rearrangement of the letters, and the third one was opposite, and at the fourth we will check the replacement of letters. In the replacement of letters, the letters are replaced by the new alphabet. How? We will see here. If in a certain code language name is written as OYPA, then how will team be coded in that language? So it means if we will check or we will compare the name to the OYPA, that time we will see here that the O, that is the one alphabet ahead, then Y, that is two alphabet behind, and in the third it is added 3, and in the fourth it is subtracted 4. It means this is the pattern. In the first alphabet we are adding 1, in the second we are subtracting 2, in the third we are adding 3, and in the fourth we are subtracting 4. That's why I said that we will give the preference at the fourth for this type of questions, replacement of the letters, because this is little bit tough than 3 types. So here we will apply the same pattern on the word team. So in the team, first what we will do, we will add 1, t plus 1, that is u. Then we will subtract 2. If we will subtract 2 from e, that time it will be c. Then add 3, a plus 3 is equal to d. Then subtract 4, so m minus 4 is equal to I. So it means the required code for team, that will be UCDI. That will be the first option. This is the fifth type of coding decoding, that is number coding. In this, the alphabets are matched according to their positions, according to their addition of the positions, according to their multiplication of the positions, like this. So if in a certain code language put is written as 57, then how will bat be written in that language? So firstly what we will have to do, we will check that how put become 57, in which preference or in which by which pattern we can make the put is equal to 57. So if we will check the number positions of the letters, the alphabetical order of the letters in the alphabets, at that time we will see that P will come at 16, U will come at 21, and T will come at 20. So these are the positions or alphabetical order of the word put. When we will add the position of the letters, that time 16 plus 21 plus 20, it is equal to 57. It means we have got the pattern for the word put, how it can become a 57. So we will apply the same pattern on the word bat. The position of B, that will be 2, the position of A, that will be 1, and the position of T, that will be 20. When we will add these 3, that time 2 plus 1 plus 20 is equal to 23. It means this is the fourth option. For the number coding, one more example is there. To understand this or to more clarify this, if in a certain code language true is written as 8316, then how will tap be written in that language? So these are the options, and if we will check that true, in the true, T, the opposite letter of T, that is G, and the position of G is 7. The position of R, that is 18, and opposite of R, that is I, and the position of I, that is 9. The position of U, that is 21, but the opposite of U, that is F, the position of F is 6. The opposite of E, that is 22, and the position of the opposite position of E, that is V, and the V's position is 22. So here we will multiply these positions. When we will multiply these positions, that time it will become 8316. Now we have to find out for the tap. So opposite of T, that is G, and G's opposite position is 7. Opposite of A, that is Z, and Z position is 26. Opposite of P, that is K, and K's position is 11. When we will multiply these 3 numbers, that time it will become 2002. It means for the required coding for the word tap is 2002. Coding by substitution, word replacement. In this, the 2 types of questions will be there. The first one is, if green is called red, red is called blue, blue is called grey, and grey is called yellow, yellow is called violet, then what is the color of grass? To understand this, the language is of 2 types. One will be is called, and one will be means. If it is given that is called, it means yellow is called violet. That time we will take the code for yellow, that will be violet. So here it is asked that what is the color of a grass. So firstly we have to know that what will be the color for a grass, and the color for grass, that is green, and green is called red. It means now our answer will be the color for the grass is red, because we know that the color of the grass, that is green, but green is called red. It means our answer will be red. The fourth option is the correct option. And in the second, I said that the language is different. It means here it will be used means blue means green, green means orange, orange means yellow, yellow means black, black means red, and red means brown. Then what is the color of blood? So here what we will do, we will check that there is used is called. That time we are taking the second color, but here it is used means. Means it means we will take the first one. It means the starting word we will take. It means orange means yellow. Orange का मतलब yellow है. If the answer is yellow, that time we will use orange color. But here the color of blood, that is red. It means which is called red, or it means which word is giving the meaning is red. That time we will check that black means red, काले का मतलब लाल है. It means if our answer is red, that time we will choose black. But in which, when means word is used, it means black means red. What is the color of blood? That is black. It means the first option. That is the seventh type of the coding decoding, that is the fictitious language coding. In the fictitious language coding, we can see that 1 to 5 can be written as go to school. It means these are the 3 digits, and here also the 3 words. 1 digit is for one word, but not necessary in the same order. It means it is not necessary that 1 is for go, and 2 is for two, and 5 is for school. What we will do, we will check all the statements, all the given statements. 125 means go to school, 146 is study in school, and 135 is run to school. Then what we will do, we will write these equations and we will check or we will compare that. Here if we check that in the 3, 125, 146 and 135, there is 1. It means 1 is common in all the equations. Here these are the 3 statements in which 3 words are there. We will check that which word is common in all 3. Then school is common in all 3. So it means 1 is for school. So according like this, we can find out the word or the codes for digits and the codes for words also. So here in this 1 is common in all and school is common in all. It means we know that the code for 1 is school. First we will check that which digit is used for run. It means where it is run. So run in the third statement. In here we can check that here 5 is mentioned in 2 equations, in the first equation and in the third equation. So it means which is the word which is mentioned in 2 equations, that is the 2. So here we can see clearly that the code for 2, that is 5, the code for, the code for school, that is 1, and the remaining is for 3. It means run is for 3. So which digit is used for run? That is 3. But if it is asked about that word for which we cannot find out the digit or the code exactly, that time what we will do? Then we will check that which digit is used for study. So if we check that here, after compare and taking common, that time we can see that 1 is for school, 5 is for 2, here 2 is for go, 3 is for run. But for 4 and 6, it is confused that which one is for 4 and which one is for 6. So here we cannot take in the same order, that 4 for the study and 6 for the in. So what time, at this time, what we will do? We will give the answer according to the option. If we will see in the options, that time it is given that in the option A, that is 4, then we cannot choose 4. In the second option it is given 6, only 6 we cannot choose, and 1, that is not for the study because 1 for school. But in the fourth option 4 or 6, it means for study it can be 4 or it can be 6. That is the correct option. But if it is not given 4 or 6, that time it will be given that data inadequate or cannot be determined. That time we will choose that cannot be determined or data inadequate. The last type of the coding decoding, that is conditional coding. It means here when we will solve the questions for the coding decoding, that time the conditions will be given for us. We can see in this question that these are the letters and these are the digit symbol or codes. It means these are the codes for the letters R, E, A, U. We can see clearly that the code for R, that is 7, for E, that is hash, for A, that is dollar, for U, that is 6. Like this type of coding these are given. But which type of condition will be given? So this type of condition will be given for the questions. For this question these three conditions are given. The first condition is given that if the first letter is a consonant and the third letter is a vowel, their codes are to be interchanged. It means if it is asked the code for any given word, that time we will check that in that word the first letter is consonant or not, and the third letter is vowel or not. If these two positions are at these two positions, on the first that is consonant and the third that is vowel, that time we will apply this condition. And how we will apply this condition? We will interchange their codes. It means for the vowel code there will be the consonant code, and for the consonant there will be the vowel code. And the second condition is that if the first letter is a vowel and the fourth letter is a consonant, both are to be coded as the code for the vowel. It means in this condition it is given that the first should be vowel and the fourth should be consonant. If at these two positions vowel and consonant are there, that time what we will do, we will not use the code for the consonant, because it is given that at the both places we will choose the code for a vowel and we will use the vowel code. Third condition is given that if the second and the third letters are consonant, both are to be coded as the code for the third letter. It means if the given word in the given word second position and the third position are consonant, that time what we will do, we will use the code for the third word. It means the third letter code we will use at the second position also and at the third position also. But there is a problem. When we will solve the question, that time these three conditions and every time we will read these three conditions. So what we can do to save our time? So how we can save our time? We can use these conditions in the short form. How we will use these in the short form? Like this. It is showing that if the first position for the consonant and the third position for the vowel, that time their code are to be interchanged. So these are our pattern or our motto, that how we can short the conditions. So this is our pattern. We can use any type of pattern for ourselves. In the second position it is given that if the first position is for vowel and the fourth position is for a consonant, that time for the both the code will be for a vowel. And in the third position it is given that at the position of second that is consonant and at the position of third that is consonant, that time for the both the code for the third position, it means third consonant alphabet. So here these are the conditions. It is not necessary that we will write the complete conditions. We can write the short positions or the short forms of the conditions. Now here it is given the question. The given word is that FWZERA. This is the word for which we have to find out the code. But if we will check here, that is for the code for F, that is 5, for the W that is D, for the Z that is 1. It means we can use the coding for this word first applying any condition, before applying any condition. So these are the codes for this word. But when we will see the conditions, on the first position there is consonant, yes there is consonant. At the third position there is a vowel, at the third position there is no vowel. It means first condition will not apply. Then we will check the second condition. If we are seeing the second condition, in this it is given that at the first position there should be vowel, but the vowel is not there. It means second condition also will not apply. we will check the third condition. At the third condition there is consonant, yes there is consonant. At the third position it is a consonant, yes there is consonant. It means what we will do, we will use the third third consonant code at the both places. It means we will replace this D by 1. It means the new formed code will be 511 hash $7. It means this is the code. This is the code for this given word, the fourth one. In the second question, this is the word which is given and we have to find out the coding for this word by applying these conditions. So if we will check that at the first there is consonant, yes. At the third there is vowel, no there is not vowel. It means the first condition will not apply. We will check the second condition. At the first there is vowel, no there is not vowel, that is the consonant. It means second condition will not apply. In the third it is given that at the second there is consonant but there is vowel. It means no condition will apply. If there is no condition is applying on this word, at that time what we will do, we will use the direct coding of these alphabets from this table which will be given to us in the question. So direct coding for HUBDIN, that is C, copyright 6, 2, 8, 9 and 3. This is the coding for this word, the first option. This is the third question on this type and this is the 14th example of a complete coding decoding. Here the word is given that EMIRDP. So here we will check the conditions. We will check the first condition. At the first there is consonant, no there is no consonant at the first position. In the second it is given that at the first there is vowel, yes there is vowel, and at the fourth position there is consonant, yes it is consonant. It means what is that, at these four is at these both places there will be the code for vowel. So the simple coding for the word, that is this before applying any condition, and after the applying condition we will replace this symbol with at the fourth position. It means 7 will be replaced by hash. So here the code for R will be hash also, and the code for first position, that is E, also that is a hash. It means by applying this condition, the second condition, we will use the same code for the fourth position also. So hash %9 hash 8 star. The second option is the correct option. So I hope you can you have to understood this by this video very well. Thank you.